these 22nd commencement exercises for school year 2023-2024. Visitors, our dear parents, students, our unrelenting and dynamic school administrators and teachers. Welcome to our commencement, recognition, and moving up ceremony for the school year 2023-2024.
ARSF is truly blessed to have all its partners in rallying for the cause of basic education. But our true blessings are you, our dear learners. Saludo ako sa inyong pagpupursigi at hindi pagsuko sa mga hamon sa inyong pag-aaral. Tiwala ako na kakayanin ninyo ang mga darating pang hamon.
Once a batang ARSF, always a batang ARSF, anytime, anywhere. Seeing you today reminds me of my school years in Alvarez Ramales School Foundation.
ARSF will always be your side no matter the circumstances.
At this very moment, I would like to take this opportunity to thank all of my teachers who became a part of my learning journey. That is why I encourage you to study hard, study smart, and go chase your dreams until you reach them. Para sa Diyos, para sa inyong pamilya, para sa bayan, at para sa bagong Pilipinas.
Isa itong kwento na patuloy na magiging halimbawa sa mga sumusunod pang henerasyon ng mag-aaral na tulad ninyo ay hangad nating mahubog upang maging kabataang Pilipino na nagtataguyod ng matatag na kinabukasan ng bagong Pilipinas. The end of yet another fruitful, meaningful, and successful school year, we recall with fondness and deep gratitude all that we had to work hard for and accomplish together.
If there is one thing that carried me through, it is not my wits, it is not my knowledge, my capabilities, it is not also my skills, but it is the Lord Jesus Himself. To all of you, happy graduation, congratulations, and mabuhay po tayong lahat.
As I stand before you, I can't help but reflect on the incredible journey we've all been on together. It feels like just yesterday, we walked through the gates of ARSF, wide-eyed and eager to embark on this journey.
To our dear parents and family, thank you for the love, cheers for the fun memories we shared. Let's move on the way.
Today marks the culmination of our journey through grade 6, a journey filled with laughters, friendships, challenges, and growth.
And now the journey continues. In the bustling corridors and vibrant classrooms of my school, I have cultivated a myriad of positive impressions that have shaped my educational journey.
It feels like just yesterday, we've nervously stepped into our classrooms, unsure what the year would hold. But here we are, standing tall and proud, ready to take the next adventure that lies ahead.
Those bonds was formed over shared laughs, inside jokes, and just being there for each other are irreplaceable. Up to this day, I find myself reflecting on my journey up to this point and the people who helped me shape as I prepare to move on to senior high school. To emphasize the last magical word, which is thank you.
Let us remember, gratitude is not just a feeling, but a way of life. Thank you, Abaresha Male, for our awesome school, and we love you.
Let us step boldly in the future, ready to make our mark. Congratulations, class of 2024. Our future awaits, and I have no doubt we'll make it extraordinary.